안녕하세요 and hello. My name is Shiera Rovillard, and I'm a principal designer at Global AI Platform. And today, I'm really excited to share with you insights on how to design a thoughtful personal AI agent. Together, we'll explore research insights from talking to users in the US. We'll introduce our product concept, Aster, and we'll take a look at what it really takes to build an experience, a personal AI agent experience that people trust. So let's first start with talking about the modern life management struggle. I want you to close your eyes and imagine yourself waking up. Your mind already begins to race with all of the meetings you have ahead, errands you have to run. Maybe you have to pick up groceries after work. You've got emails to attend to, text messages to text back, and maybe other things like buying a gift for your friend. Does that sound familiar? Even though we're more connected than ever before, life has never felt so chaotic. And so, why is managing life so hard? Well, we are facing an unprecedented amount of complexity and demands on our time. In fact, the average person juggles roughly around 150 tasks per week. No wonder we're exhausted. And when talking to people in the US in our research studies, we learned about these key problem areas that people thought they can leverage AI to perhaps help. Problems like struggling with forgetfulness. Again, there's so much that we're juggling and we have to remember, like deadlines, important events, birthdays, and difficulty prioritizing. It's not easy to prioritize our time and understand how to focus our day and knowing what's most important. Another thing we heard was a limited time for effective research. Even finding a great place to eat these days takes effort. You have to look up reviews, compare them, and all of that takes time, let alone more complicated planning, like travel planning. And so we have just a limited amount of time for that. And lastly, with all of the information overload, we have a need for better decision-making support. How do I know what option is the best for me? And how do I know which is, the one that I should choose? We want more guidance. But what if life didn't have to be so hard? I want to introduce you to our concept, Aster. It's our thoughtful AI agent for life management that balances AI automation with a human touch. Aster provides curated research, advice, timely reminders, and task organization to help you truly simplify your life. And at Global AI Platform, our mission is to really empower you to maximize your productivity by leveraging AI to help you get things done efficiently. So let's look at a day in the life of how Aster could help simplify travel planning and how easy it could be. Imagine you've prompted Aster and you're traveling and looking for something to do. Once you've prompted Aster, Aster will take all the memory from previous conversations to curate an answer for you. But we'll take it a step further because it's really important to understand a user's context. So by narrowing down and asking clarifying questions, we can truly understand what somebody's context is. And then we can give them results. And one of the key aspects of Aster is our ecosystem of subagents. So by searching several subagents, we can provide an even better curated result. But what's more is that as a personal AI agent, we can be proactive. If we understand someone is trying to go on a tour, they might need help with actions like getting there, perhaps reserving a taxi or purchasing a ticket and having that available, or purchasing, booking a reservation. All of this is just an example of how Aster can simplify and save you time. Another way that Aster simplifies is through empathy-driven personalization. The future is not about machines taking over, but it's going to be about how we collaborate and partner with machines, right, with AI. And so it's not enough to just personalize based on user data and behavior. That's just the standard personalization. What people expect of AI is they want AI to step into the shoes of the user and truly, deeply understand them, understand their emotions, and understand their current context. So in this example, if I was asking Aster of a recommendation of what to eat for dinner tonight, I'd expect Aster to already know my preferences around my dietary needs. And what we're doing here is asking them for your current context, because if you're cooking dinner, maybe you're craving something specific, or maybe there are ingredients you want to use. And so that deep, empathy-driven personalization really reduces cognitive load. Another way that Aster simplifies is through transparent, explainable AI. It's not enough to share algorithms that feel like a black box. People want more and expect more from their personal AI agents. They want to have a really deep understanding of how the AI is reasoning and what's really behind the recommendations or suggested actions. Why is AI making those decisions? And by clearly communicating that to the user transparently, we can begin to build trust, and users can begin to think of your personal AI agent as a true thought partner. And lastly, people expect their personal AI agents to be adaptable and offer proactive assistance. They don't want to just go to their personal assistant and have to prompt them every time. They have an expectation that our personal AI agents are intelligent, and they're going to be 2 steps ahead. So for example, if my personal AI agent could connect to my calendar, it should already know things and be able to offer smart suggestions, such as if I'm going to a meeting, it can let me know if the traffic changes and I might have to change my route or I might have to leave earlier. So why is designing for thoughtfulness so important? This is so important that we balance and bridge the gap between real user needs and AI automation. Because we learned from people that in order to be accepted and trusted as a personal AI agent, we have to first deliver on the lowest order. And the lowest order of personalization includes building for accuracy and transparency, great user experience, understanding people's privacy and security, and an efficiency of flow. For example, if I told my personal AI agent that I have an allergy to shellfish, I would expect that any future recommendation wouldn't include shellfish. So it's so important that we get that accuracy if we want to be trusted. And we know that in the US market specifically, people are very apprehensive about how AI will handle their data and privacy. So it's critical that we get this right. And as we move up the ladder, the highest order is being able to delegate to AI to execute on your behalf. And what we learned is there's actually different comfort levels with which tasks people are comfortable with delegating. For example, people are really comfortable delegating tasks like smart home automation tasks, like, hey, Aster, turn down my heat, or hey, Aster, lock my front door. But when it comes to handing over your wallet for AI to make purchases on your behalf, or letting AI send emails or communicate with your friends without you actually reviewing that content, there's a lot of sensitivity there. So it's really, really important that we're not just building tools and functionality around AI, but we're really deeply understanding the user needs that we're building for. So at Global AI Platform and at the heart of Aster are our design principles that, again, humanize our experience and really solve for real user needs. The first one is about bringing magic to everyday tasks. So I want to take you back a second to remember the other mundane tasks before us, like the laundry machine and the invention of the dishwasher that truly brought a sense of wonder at their time. And we're in the new day and age where we really have the opportunity to leverage AI to do that for our life. So one way that you can, bring magic to everyday tasks is by making those mundane tasks more magical, more delightful. Another one is thoughtful proactivity. Provide your users with proactive assistance. And then empowering control, make sure that you're providing the options and the settings and the insights that people need to really make their personal AI agent experience feel personal to them and custom for them. Empathy-driven personalization, we really need to deeply understand our users, understand their emotions to provide a more personal experience. And provide guided assistance. People don't want our personal AI agents making assumptions on our behalf. So we really have to be careful around how we guide them. And trust through transparency. If you're going to be building a personal AI agent, you have to have an unwavering commitment to privacy, security, and ethics in order to be trusted. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. How can a thoughtful personal AI agent simplify your life? Well, we believe that it can take you from feeling scattered and overwhelmed with information to feeling organized and stress-free, taking you from feeling forgetful and not remembering things to being prepared and always staying one step ahead, saving you hours of time-consuming research to making planning actually enjoyable and easy, and taking the high manual effort that it takes to get a really good tailored personal recommendation to having personalization on autopilot. We're really, really excited at the future that we're building for Aster and for life management, and we're excited to share more in the coming months. Thank you so much. Thank you.